More than 100 children have been left homeless after a place they called their home was demolished last evening. Now, the Overcomers Caring Ministry Children's Home, which is located in Rongai, is a safe haven for orphans and vulnerable children. The centre had been earmarked for demolition as it is located on a road reserve.
135 children of Overcomers Caring Ministry were forced to spend the night in the cold after a place they have called home for more than 10 years was demolished. The home was brought down on Friday evening. The children watched helplessly as heavy machinery flattened their home to make way for a new road. The center, which is located in Rongai, caters for vulnerable children.
This place we were given some years back by the former PC Maina, with the help of the DO, who those times we were having district officers in Kebira. The road was not showing 60 meters by third time. It was averagely 30 meters according to the approved fiscal plan. That opened up a door for well-wishers and friends to put up the structures that you see here. We never realized it was a road reserve.
Last month, the institution was given a notice by the Kenya National Highways Authority to vacate the road reserve. But according to the management, the notice given to vacate was too short.
They gave us a notice on 23rd saying that after 30 days, make arrangements of moving. I was told they are demolishing. I showed them the notice. Nobody was listening. We felt the way we were, it was not clear in the approved plan. Then it's not clear on the notice. It brought total confusion.
The management says it has nowhere to take the children.
They have put the kitchen down. The toilets have been crashed down. I was pleading to them, gentlemen, the road is not going to be built tomorrow. In honor of God and these orphans who do not have a father, kindly give us just 2 days or 1 day. We will remove all this material to help us put a shed where we are going to shelter these children. Nobody was listening.
According to Kenha, the home was built illegally on public land. The demolition is to pave way for the construction of the Ngong Road, Kibera, Kiunga, Karumba, Langata Link Road.